How you doing, guys? Chris with Dentless Touch. Hope all is well with you guys. It is actually middle of June and it is 61 degrees outside, which is crazy. So I had to run in, get a button up, and hopefully it doesn't last too long. It's just a morning cool. But I have a 10 o'clock appointment. I actually have two appointments, so well, only have two appointments right now. One I've already done an estimate for, and that's a go. And then the other one, he wants an estimate and possible repair. But you know, just like John Maxwell, we're gonna make today count. So let's go and get to our appointment. I have a few things to discuss with you guys and talk about. So let's go on to our next or to our appointment. I took a look at that Audi yesterday afternoon, and it looks really good, man.
Thank you.
It does, man. I didn't find anything really. Yeah, it looks really good.
Thank you. Good. Yeah, I made sure I text over a couple times.
Like I said, I'm very proud of you stepping up a lot, man. I can see even the door looks good, so.
Yeah, thank you.
I just finished up the estimate for one customer. He did schedule. I'll show you some pictures of that. So that's good. We'll do that on Thursday. I'll probably record that one for you guys. But I just got these new decals in. I fixed dents. They're pretty cool. I don't know. I do like to stay dent free better, but you know, and we're going to take some pictures of them anyway and post them on our website. So if you're seeing this, then they will be available on pdrpride.com. But I want to talk to you guys about why I actually started YouTube and some of the things that led me to continuing doing YouTube. YouTube was more of a personal thing for me. I feel like I asked myself, how can I give back to the community, the industry? But it was really for me to get over my fear of speaking in public places. I'm dyslexic, so it's very hard for me to speak in public places, and I don't kind of use that as an excuse. So my biggest thing is, if you fear something, just jump ahead and do it. Now I can't gather a bunch of people and speak. The only thing I can do that is from the PDR workshops and stuff like that. So I said, what is another angle that I would probably fear? And that's really just talking on camera. You know, I'm literally just looking at a camera right now. I know you guys are going to see it, and it looks so natural to a certain degree. But I'm literally just talking to a camera. So, and even that scares me. So, but, you know, continuing doing it, I've found myself better speaking in public. So I'm going to continue to keep doing this. And hopefully I get more fluent in it. I'm doing these vlogs because this is just the natural way that I speak. Some of the videos are not scripted, but I do write a little kind of script for them so I can stay on topic. But you know, I'm kind of scatterbrained sometimes. But But yeah, that's one of the reasons why I started a YouTube channel and continue to keep doing it. I'm really just trying to better myself as a speaker, a mentor, a leader, I guess. So the best way I can do that is just to be more outgoing and just kind of interpret myself a little better, I guess the best way of saying it. So leave in the description below if you have a YouTube channel, what motivates you. But that's one thing that I am always challenged to do. It's a challenge for me to continue to keep producing these videos, and just talking in public. It's just still kind of puts butterflies in my stomach. So, but this outlet is allowing me to get more comfortable in that scenario. So hopefully you guys like these videos. We're gonna start doing vlogging. That's one of the things that it's on my to-do list. I want you guys to be a part of this journey of me scaling my company, training guys. So we're gonna just start doing, I don't know if we're gonna do daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, I don't know, but for the most part the camera's riding with me for the last week, so I have a lot of content for you guys. If you guys are interested in these stickers, they're on pdrpride.com. But we have a lot of gear. We have some cell phone cases, t-shirts, and some other stickers and decals or whatever. So we're waiting on our next appointment, and then we're on our way to First Choice to see what's going on with that. So stay tuned, more content. What are we working on? Alright. So this is the car. Got a little crease right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Oh yeah. There it is right there. Not too hateful. And we have the trunk area. A little dent right there. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and fix both of those. And that's it. go over the second reason why I continue to keep doing YouTube videos, and it's really just to broadcast our work, to show anybody that's in the cars or any potential customer what a good PDR tech can fix, a passionate PDR tech can fix. And that's, to me, that's a difference. Good and passionate are two different things to me. So some of the stuff that you see, I probably already told the customer maybe, but in my mind I'm saying I'm gonna get this bad boy out, watch. So there's a lot of false information out there, and a lot of body shops like to compress what a PDR technician can actually fix. A lot of body shops are actually advertising paintless dent repair, and they don't even have a paintless dent repair company, technician in their facility. So I'm just trying to bring notice to quality paintless dent repair. So that's the second reason why I continue to do YouTube videos, and one of the reasons why I started doing YouTube videos. Getting stuff done, I see. See if I can enter. Oh, I gotta roll this up. Oh, what's up? Come in. Oh man, how we looking?
Alright.
That's a lot of damage right there. So now for the third reason on why I basically do YouTube is really, I kind of stumbled across this, but after the second or third video, I got a ton of emails, basically, kind of asking questions, where can I buy the tools, and stuff that, I kind of took lightly. I didn't know, anybody didn't know where to buy great tools at, and, I was actually, it's humbling to actually, have someone that wants to ask me a question. I mean, normally, it's the managers telling me what they're gonna pay and what they want and all this other stuff. So, to have someone that wants to, that wants to learn PDR was definitely something different. So, the third reason is to really interact with you guys. I kind of enjoy it. I kind of enjoy answering comments. Normally it's emails and DMs through Instagram, but I really like having you interacting with you guys and having you guys take something that I'm saying in and applying it to work every day. It is really humbling. So thank you guys for that. But that's the third reason on why I still do YouTube.